Hey everyone, we have a set of Knipex model 88180 here. Now I've had these for a while, but anybody who has been watching my channel for a while knows that they don't get used very often. They actually stay in my electrician box. And I said, well, let me bring them in the garage because I really don't do much electrical work anymore. And I probably have not used them in a couple of years. At least about 2 years. So I went ahead and grabbed them. And I was using them today. And they were slipping. Well, I called Knipex and they gave me a claim number. Well, they gave me an email to email them. I took the picture of the item with the arrow. I said where the arrow is slipping when using. Thank you, John White. Pretty point blank. Their response: thank you for contacting Knipex Claims Department. At their internal review, it seems that the tool has been worn due to usage, and our limited liability warranty only recovers manufacturer defects. Please see warranty terms and attached below. This applies to the original end user. A full purchase of the tool does not apply for blah blah calls, miscellaneous abuse, so on. I was reading through my phone. We truly value our customers, blah blah. And you see it. And here will be my reply. No problem, thank you. Okay, thank you, no problem. I'll just purchase Icon. They don't give an issue with their warranty. And that's what their last email was. 3 dots. I guess they didn't know what to say. Now, these are not very big. Here's my hand. They are approximately 7 to 8 inches long. Again, model number 88180. They're about 6 inches probably. And like I said, nobody's seen me use them in the garage because I really don't use them very often. And it slips right through here. Let's look at the jaws. The teeth are not beat up all that bad. Very little wear. So why would that be the weakest point? There's not a lot of scratches on them. Heck, look at the handles. The handles are not horrible either. I have tools in my toolbox that look a lot worse. That's been abused a lot worse. And, you know, they don't give me an issue on warranty. They break. Knipex, you lost a customer. This pair will go in the scrap pile. Later.